Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So today I will show you modern bathroom design idea. So keep watching this video until the end, and if you're new to my channel then please don't forget to subscribe it and hit the bell icon for the latest video update. I wish you all the best and have a wonderful day. In this video we will see modern bathroom design ideas. We all spend a lot of time in our bathrooms, so it's only right that we should make them into a simply gorgeous place to be. Unique bathtubs, sleek vanity unit, and modern toilet designs come in all shapes and sizes to suit spaces and budgets, both large and small. Bathrooms are not only a place where people freshen up every day, they also spend their time in grooming them at bathroom. Women especially spend longer duration in bathrooms if compared to men. But bathrooms are always a fantasy for both of them. Bathrooms, accessories and furniture are a long hot product of home furnishing. Aside from essential facilities, bathrooms can be accessorized with chic dispenser and storage. Lighting is an integral piece of the puzzle when designing a bathroom, and as a light can entirely change the mood of a space. The right bathroom design idea can completely transform the look and feel of a bathroom. They can even change the way the space is used, such as when a shower tub combo became a shower stall or storage is converted into one of many trendy bathroom shelves idea. And just like certain bathroom designs, like floating bathroom vanities, can make a bathroom look larger, the right tile selection can actually make a bathroom look beautiful and cleaner. Modern bathrooms are one of the specialties of every home these days. People are crazy about the type of bathrooms to be built inside their homes. Bathrooms are one of the most important and decorative portion of all modern homes. People always take extra care in making their bathrooms more feature rich, attractive and unique. Nowadays, you can find enough kind of accessories to make bathroom more functional and feature rich. Unique and elegant bathroom furniture are also available to make your bathroom classic and attractive. Some modern day bathrooms accessories that are integrated part of every bathroom are bathtubs, bathroom shower, hand shower, modern design taps, designer toilet, ceramic basin, etc. Modern day bathrooms furniture plays an important role in deciding the look and feel of home as well as bathrooms. When it comes to choosing material for your modern bathroom designs, wood, stone, slate, glass, and ceramic will all be in play, as in any bathroom style, but how they are displayed will define just how modern your design will be. You can also combine materials effectively in a modern design, pairing natural wood with stainless steel in a countertops design, for example, or creating a tile work design from ceramic tile and glass vanity. Another feature of a lot of modern style bathrooms is an open plan, usually involving transparent glass wall around shower. This is especially good in a smaller spaces. This modern bathroom uses wet room style and modern elements, geometrical shapes in basic squares, a monochrome color scheme, and minimum decorative elements. Apart from the bathroom accessories, one that is very important in making of an attractive and modern bathroom is the flooring and tiling. Marbles and granite are the most popular product for use in bathroom flooring and tiling. You can spot granite countertops along with ceramic basin in most of the modern bathrooms. When planning for a bathroom design, need careful planning is a key. A bathroom is a practical space that's used frequently. Family bathrooms have multiple users, of course, sometimes at the same time, while and suite bathrooms or wet rooms will see daily use from a couple or solo. As well as coping with the traffic of all the user, a bathroom has to stay hygienic plus deal with splashes and humidity without becoming slippery underfoot or looking warm. And while it used to be thought of as functional space only, these days we like to design a bathroom to be time out areas that are chic as a spa like. Despite these many demands, getting a great bathroom design is really achievable. Of course, if you are not confident in designing your own bathroom layout, you could approach an interior designer to help or visit a showroom that offers a bathroom design service. There are also a lot of design and build companies which offer a bathroom design service as part of contract to install a whole new bathrooms. It's important to know exactly how much space you have to work with when designing a bathroom. A bathroom designer or architecture can make scale drawing or you can create your own using graph paper. The plan will help you understand where essential like the bathroom, bath and shower, toilet and basin can be positioned or where the door is as well as the windows. Even a very small bathroom designs can be turned into a restful and practical space with some good planning. When not sure how to choose the best bath for your bathroom design, for maximum space efficiency, a freestand bath which sits against the wall is a neat solution. But it's not the only option when designing bathrooms. A freestanding bath can make the room look luxurious, and there are both traditional freestanding bath and contemporary bath available. If your floor plan shows there isn't room for both individual shower and bath, rather than losing one or other, consider a shower that's wider at the tap and to make for a more spacious showering area than a standard bath provides. I hope this video will help you to choose the best bathroom design idea for your home. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel to see future videos. And thanks for watching this video. Have a wonderful day.